Have you ever wondered how a coin will go from zero to life-changing money in few days? And you're probably wondering how they did it. That's the power of Memecoin trading when you come to think of it. But the truth here is that Memecoin trading is not magic. It is definitely not luck as well. And likewise, the fact that it is not a stable way to make money as well. But don't worry, let me break it down. So first thing first, what is Memecoin? It is defined as, buying and selling of meme-based cryptocurrency with a goal of making money when the price increases. And these prices do increase pretty fast. Like within a twinkle of an eye, it can go from zero to, you know, some big gains. And likewise, the fact that it can also go from big gains to zero. So that's the more reason when you want to do it, there are some things you need to keep in place, or there are some things you need to keep in mind so that you not end up doing it the wrong way. And one of which is you will need to be very quick in entering, and you will need to also be very fast in exiting, like going out. Be very fast in going out and be very fast in entry. As simple as that. And that's how people capitalize on it. But the real question is, how do I spot the coin that has potential of increases or increasing in value? That's where the main obligation comes in, which is probably the main aim of this video today, because I'm going to be walking you through from start to finish on how to effectively spot this meme coin that has potential of making gains, so that way you can already see your portfolio smiling to the bank. So stick around, hit the like button for me if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel so that you will not get to miss our subsequent videos like this. Let's get straight into it. So first thing first, there are tons of strategy you can probably use in spotting this meme coin that has potential of making gains. I do share several of them. There are ways like checking out insiders' wallet addresses, tracking their wallet addresses down to know when they're about to buy coins that will make gains. But those ones are basically copy trading. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it yourself from scratch, because based on my research and based on how this strategy I'm about to show you play out in the past 30 days, it comes out to be very sustainable, or will I say very consistent with the results, and the result is pretty good. But keep in mind, this is not like a sustainable way to make money, like I've told you, and definitely not a financial advice. Cryptocurrency trading in general is subjected to an higher risk. So know that you will need to treat this as an educational content or educational purposes, because you will still need to do your research before trying to take decision based off of this video, as I am not a financial advisor. So having putting out that disclaimer out of the way, let's get straight into it, and let me show you this very strategy we are referring to, or I'm referring to. So now all I'm going to be doing is to head on to a platform called DexScreener. This DexScreener will be used in spotting those meme coin that has potential of making gains. And I do advise people to make some configurations to this DexScreener. Don't just randomly open DexScreener out of the blue and pick any coin out there to trade. There are some things you need to configure here so it can suit a very decent strategy. That's the more reason I'm going to be showing you some of the things you will need to implement to help you how to know which coin will do best in this. The first one, the first changes you will need to make is by switching this to 6 hours as usual, and then you change this other one to Solana. This one is going to be on this place is going to be on all chains, so you will need to probably switch it to Solana, definitely, so that we can only be dealing with coins that are on the Solana ecosystem precisely. And then you scroll to the right hand side, you're going to see what we call liquidity. I want to keep this video as short as possible so that you guys will not definitely get overwhelmed. So I'm trying to save you the stress of long waiting. You need to change the liquidity as well to 49,500 and the volume to about 500,000 minimum. Then you click on apply on anyone you put in there. This will help it get activated. As simple as that. And then for the pH, I'm using a maximum of 2 hours as usual. So select 2 hours, put in 2 hours there, and then you click on apply. This will help it come onto the page. So after all of those has been done, here are some of the coins we got, and these coins are listed like pretty much every minute or hours, and there are tons of opportunity to take an advantage of here. But I do advise people to pick the ones that has a little market cap. Definitely don't go too high. These people might, you know, they might make the coin seem very aesthetically pleasing or aesthetically pleasing. So don't try to fall for it with all these greens you've seen here. Make sure that you're looking for the best one, and the best one I do try to consider is the one that has a lower market cap. And I do give mentorship in Memecoin Trading. So if you're interested in that as well, my DMs are always open for you. Enough of all the talkings. Let's get straight to business. My obligation was to pick any coin at all that has a very low market cap. Okay, and the volume and the liquidity is quite very consistent as well, so we can use it to do this. I do not want to go for all these 100k 150k cap. It is already saturated. Don't go for that. Go for the one that is small, probably around 50k 40k 30k or thereabout, so that when it eventually increases to like 100k, you might have seen your portfolio smiling to the bank. So all these ones are millions, if not hundreds of thousands of market cap. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be waiting a little longer. If I've seen or if I've found anyone that meets the strategy I have stated there, I will now come on here and show you how to execute it perfectly for a decent outcome. So stick around. You might want to consider liking the video to lock everything in. So right about now, we are about to choose this very one called gold, as it meets all the roles. Market cap 50k, liquidity 52k, volume 1.2 m, which is pretty good for a range I was like referring to. Don't go for those higher ones. They might be way too overrated and saturated. So I'm going to now click on explore. This will help me to like get into the decentralized exchanges. We have tons of them, but I'm going to be using Jupiter for the aspect of this video, which is the DeFi Jupiter. So I'm going to now try to open it up. Then I should be able to connect my wallet between Phantom and Jupiter so it can interact, if that makes sense. So once the wallet is connected there, I'm going to now click on USDC so I can paste the contract address. The contract address is what you're going to be using to probably get involved with the token apparently. So after pasting it on there, this JUP should be able to detect it. Then we click it and it should come onto the page. Then I'm going to be swapping from sold to the very coin using about 0.08 sold, approximately about 5.5. So the swap should be initiated there, and it should get executed within a twinkle of an eye. But here is the catch, or here is the main deal. If you should head back to the main page of the Phantom wallet, you probably get to realize that this coin hasn't been reflected. Like matter of fact, this can be a little disturbing for somebody that is doing it for the first time. So don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to get it to the Phantom page. As simple as that. Simply by just clicking on tokens. There is an icon that says tokens right on the home page of that your Phantom wallet. It is written there boldly and clearly. You click on it and it will take you to this very page, which you will need to click on that little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen there and toggle on that token. Okay, you will see a bunch of tokens there. Then you can toggle on whichever one suits you. In this case, that very one, which is called TGC, that's the one will be putting on, which is gold, and it should be able to be prompt to the home page apparently, and we should now see the value of it as it is shown there. Right now the value is worth about 5.75, which is pretty okay, but we still need to wait a bit longer. Like I've told you, this is not meant to be held for a longer time, so you're going to see how long I'm going to be holding this for before I sell off, or before I swap it over to sold and look for another possibly opportunity, or another possible opportunity. So I'm going to catch you later on, and let's wait for the increase to like happen. So apparently within like 20 minutes, approximately 21 minutes, there was an increase, which the market cap has eventually also increased as well. So the market cap we got it for is not definitely the same market cap we're selling it for. And as you can see, it is currently worth about 7 point something, 7.37, 7.36 approximately. So we've successfully swapped it over to sold. Let us now head on to the page, and as you can see, we have now made an increase in our Solana value. As you can see, Solana value is now 0.3784, 3785 approximately. So that's to show you that we've made a little token out of it.